like Vic? It's, yeah, it's unfortunately illegal.
Sorry.
I don't think they should have taken it. Big one there?
Yeah, it was the biggest.
If you can carry that out of here, I'll buy it for you.
That one.
Yeah?
The weight.
Solo. All the way out of here.
We need a baby leash.
Should we keep walking?
Yeah, we can go. Backwards. Ready? Bobby, you want to climb on too or no?
And every time I've gotten onto you, you've been looking through at your phone, taking a picture.
When you're ready. Ready?
Oh, she doesn't even know I'm talking to her.
When you're ready?
That's a good question. I like the Sixers. I like the Bulls. Chicago Bulls. Who do you like for basketball? They're in the way. They're in everybody's
What
way.
about soccer?
I don't know. Who do you like for soccer?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You guys going this way?
Pass on the,
I
yeah.
think that's a better way to go.
This is
Let's go back this way.
Do you like soccer?
Oh, look.
I was a soccer player.
Lathan, you're holding Scarlett.
There you go.